Well, hello everyone. Today I'm going to unbox one of the latest product in the market, which is specifically designed to bring a huge difference in the medical practice during the unfortunate COVID-19 situation. And today this product is launched to contribute to the society and especially the healthcare professionals. So hereby presenting to you this product, which is branded as SHA Shield. And before I proceed with the unboxing, let me tell you that I have left the link of WhatsApp group of the associates. So if you want, you can join the group through the group link in order to get a demo. You can also visit the official website, that is maxfaxassociate.com, for pre-booking of the product. The links are given in the description box, so do check them out. So coming back to this respiratory device, that is HSA Shield, which is inspired by PAPR, which is Powered Air Purifying Respirator, and it works on the principle of blower, which purifies contaminated air by passing it through the filter, which is medical grade HEPA 13 filter. So here are these components that we get in the box. So the first one is the head frame, which provides attachment to the SHA Shield unit, and it is a lightweighted frame, so there are no discomfort as such while we are wearing it, and it is super adjustable according to your head size and gives enough support while you are performing any procedure. So unlike any other headgears, it won't keep slipping or falling while you are working. You can also increase the circumference enough, and for female doctors especially who tie their hair bun, this can be adjusted below the bun easily. So this is something that I personally like a lot about this frame. The second component is this HSA Shield. It has HEPA 13 filter attached to it, and there is provision for controlling the speed, so you can keep it on low, medium or high speed as per your preferences and need. And along with that, there is a small USB port which is provided on the side of this component, so you can recharge it once it gets discharged. The third component is the extra cartridge that they have provided along with the cartridge that is already attached to the HSA Shield. Then the fourth component is this vent deflector, and then here we have a chin mount, so you can attach it to the head frame in case if you want to wear the HSA Shield at the back of your head. So you can mount the SHA Shield through this component. Along with all these things, there is a USB cable given for recharging the SHA Shield. So it is a normal type A USB cable, so you can attach it through your laptop or mobile chargers for charging the SHA Shield unit. And along with this box, you have this HSA PAPR hood shield, which you can use as a face shield, and along with that it also covers you from all the sides, so it keeps you protected from all the sides. So there is a small demo of how to mount this SHA Shield on the head frame. So you can unlock the lock of the SHA Shield and slowly slide it into the mount, and once it fits into the mount, you can lock the SHA Shield into the place, and through a double click the shield will get on. You can control the speed by clicking on the same button. That there are 3 speeds that are provided for the convenience purpose: the low, medium and high speed. You can adjust it according to your preferences and the time duration that you want to work. And in order to unmount the SHA Shield from the frame, unlock the clip from there and slowly slide it down. It will get unmount. It is as simple as that. This is the donning and doffing procedure. So after you have mounted the SHA Shield on the head frame, you can adjust the head frame on your head accordingly, and upon that you can wear this HSA hood in order to protect you and to cover you from all the sides. So this was all about the SHA Shield unbox, the frontline protection for the COVID and beyond. The links are given in the description. Do check them out, and you can join the official WhatsApp groups in order to ask any of your queries or to do the booking of the product. So that was it for today. I'll see you in the next video. Until then.